welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, so today's video, this is episode 108 of our 365-day daily devotional. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it is absolutely fantastic. You can find it at Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Amazon. You can also download it on Audible. If you're looking for any of the previous episodes to this one, there's always a playlist in the description box. And I guess that's it. So let's jump right in. Okay, 108. Okay. I am training you in steadiness. Too many things interrupt your awareness of me. I know that you live in a world of sight and sound, but you must not be a slave to those stimuli. Awareness of me can continue in all circumstances, no matter what happens. This is the steadiness I desire for you. Don't let unexpected events throw you off course. Rather, respond calmly and confidently, remembering that I am with you. As soon as something grabs your attention, talk with me about it. Thus I share your joys and your problems. I help you cope with whatever is before you. This is how I live in you and work through you. This is the way of peace. Man, that's good. I am training you in steadiness. Awareness of me can continue in all circumstances, no matter what happens. This is the steadiness I desire for you. Don't let unexpected events throw you off course. Rather, respond calmly and confidently, remembering that I am with you. This is how I live in you and work through you. This is the way of peace. Man, that's so good and so true. Respond calmly and confidently, remembering that I am with you. It does not matter what happens to you. It doesn't matter. If you're confident in the Lord, and you are confident in the promises that He's given us, you're confident in those verses in the Bible that tell us that God is with us and that He is for us, and that nothing can stand against Him. If you are confident in that, you believe that with all your heart, there's nothing that this world can throw at you that you can't handle. Respond calmly and confidently. Immediately go to the Lord. The second that something happens, go straight to the Lord and talk with Him about it. It says that is how He lives in us and works through us. Good or bad, take it to the Lord. Give it to God confidently. All right, let's do the verses. He will have no fear of bad news. His heart is steadfast, trusting in the Lord. Psalms 112:7. Be unceasing in prayer, praying perseveringly. 1 Thessalonians 5:17, and that is from the Amplified Version. That's why it says praying perseveringly. But I think the actual verse says pray without ceasing, meaning pray continually. Pray all the time. Talk to the Lord all the time. Talk to Him just like you and I are talking right now. Okay. Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. Fear not, for I am with you. Man, that's so good. I will strengthen you. Yes, I will help you. God tells us over and over and over and over again in the Bible that he is with us and that he will help us no matter what. No matter what. God loves us. Praise God. Praise God. Don't let unexpected events throw you off course. Rather, respond calmly and confidently, remembering that I am with you. Man, that's good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share this with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, thank you so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.